Do you want to try again?
I'll get there.
You're going to need to make a video of the bloopers for all the interviews.
Hi everyone, we're here at CollabDays South Africa 2020.
Hi Vlad, how you doing? This thing, I don't talk like this. Okay.
Can we move just a little bit this way, some of this? No, you move this way. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, so remember to speak into the mic, man.
Yep. Ready? Go.
Yes, go.
Hi, I'm your host. Okay.
You got it? Yeah. That's good. Remember,
Hi everyone, we're here at CollabDays 2025 South Africa. I'm here with Jamal, one of our international speakers, also rated the #1. Oh no, we have 3 stars, sorry.
I'll start all over again. So Malaysia. Okay.
Wait, 1 second. I'm getting into character. Hi Vlad. Hi.
mic close.
Sorry. What did you say?
Thank you so
Okay,
much
Oh,
for chatting to
yeah.
me.
So thank you so much for chatting to me, and thank you, thank you so much for chatting with me. Okay, let me do that again.
Hi Vlad, how you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you so much.
Oh.
Not like that.
Oh. Yes, he's the account manager.
Hello everybody, we're back again at CollabDays South Africa, and now I'm with Vlad, all the way from Canada. Hi Vlad, how was your day today?